phone. I mean, this kind of takes the presentation of a whole other level. It looks like a proper spell book. So take off the magnetic tab and, oh my God, it's a letter from Hogwarts. Knowing my current unboxing track record, I'm gonna destroy this one too. Oh. Okay, got it. So this is like the letter that's given to witches and wizards to prepare for their first day at school. Got a custom SIM ejector tool, of course. It says platform 9 3/4. You can really tell this Redmi company is trying to properly maximize this opportunity and cram every Harry Potter Easter egg in one go into this. At the bottom there's an insert with 3 full pages of stickers, a case. It's actually got a proper gold button as well. Everything about this phone is custom and I really appreciate that. A map? Oh, this is like the Marauders map, except it's actually a manual for the phone. And then the phone. Oh, there's something else underneath. It's a normal charger and cable. Okay, never mind. Let's unwrap this bad boy. Wow. There's so much going on here. Oh, and the cameras are linked like spectacles. You've got the lightning bolt just above, which is kind of like Harry's forehead. The text is embossed, the logo is glossy. This is nice. There's so many phones like this, where essentially the company only really wants people from one particular region to buy it. Presumably because that's the only region for which they actually have bought the licenses for the brand. In this case, the phone was made for China. So in order for us to actually get one here in the UK, we had to work with a Chinese resident who had to order it on our behalf, receive it, repackage it up, and then we send it across the world. Absolutely worth it though.